Ayan na. Kasi umaga siya dumating, pagka kinagabihan, binigyan na namin yung laman yan kasi may pangalan naman bawat isa. Tapos may mga part na share. So yun na lang, karton lang na iwan. Salamat sa Cisco na nagpadala. Nasiyahan kami. So yan na, wala nang laman. Salamat sa blessing ni Lord. Pray tayo. God bless everyone.
Thank you, Lord, for all you've done, for the dreams fulfilled and the battles won. In my heart, I feel your light. Thank you, Lord, for this precious life. Through trials and storms, you held me near.